Alright, here we go. We're still working on this guy. So what I did was kind of followed this video of this guy online where drill out these 4 rivets, which wasn't too bad, it's pretty easy. But look at that bearing. Look how disgusting that is. It doesn't even turn freely. It's crazy, dude. Surprised it just comes right out though. Alright, let's see what we got. Ew. Oh my goodness. It's not even a bearing, it was just destroyed. Look at that. That's crazy, man. Well, we got is a new bearing. Same size, same everything. Ooh. Look at that part. I just have to clean the shaft up a little bit with some sandpaper or something because it doesn't even fit on the old one. I just touched it so many times. That is crazy different. It's like you feel it grinding the whole time. Oh, excuse me. Alright. I gotta fix that. It's like kind of notched up some. Fits in there quite nice. Okay. That would probably be a pain in the butt. Damn. Ooh, well, that, never find that again. There we go. So we're gonna have to probably go to the store and get. I'm not gonna rivet it, I guess. Maybe I will. How are we gonna get this plate to stay back on there? I really thought about it. One thing I noticed is that all these other holes line up. Yeah, we gotta really knock those down. These other holes line up as if it was meant to be rebuilt one time. Oh, never mind that, they don't. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna put this thing on there, like so. And then these go through to the back. Yep. I might have to, it's been a little while since I took this all apart. We're gonna clean all this stuff up. It's so good.